To install the Fantaskool app quickly, open any browser on your phone, go to fantaskool.com, tap My Account, and begin your registration. As you do this, your device will show two pop-ups: Add Fantaskool to Home Screen and Allow Notifications. Simply tap Yes and Allow so you can receive important updates. And if the Add to Home Screen pop-up doesn't appear, just tap the three dots in the top right corner of your browser and select Add to Home Screen to instantly place the Fantaskool icon on your device with no App Store downloads needed.